Hello folks, welcome to EC. இந்த வீடியோல நம்ம பார்க்க போற வேர்ட் depend. இந்த depend அப்படிங்கிற வேர்டை பயன்படுத்தின 100 sentences தான் நான் கீழே கொடுத்திருக்கேன். கேளுங்க. We depend on you. Don't depend on it. Ashoka depends on Devi. I'm depending on you. You're depending on me. It depends on the context. I've come to depend on you. Ashoka depends on Devi too much. Ashoka depends too much on Devi. I can't depend on you anymore. We can't depend on her to help us. She still depends on her parents. Success depends mostly on effort. Ashoka depended on Devi to help him. You can't depend on him to be punctual. It depends on you. You can depend on it. You can depend on Ashish. Ashoka is depending on you. It depends on the weather. It really depends on when. I'm depending on your help. You can depend on his help. That depends on the context. I knew I could depend on you. It all depends on the weather. The price depends on the size. You depend too much on others. I don't know what to depend on. It depends on how strong it is. Don't depend too much on others. I'm depending on you to help me. Don't depend on others' kindness. It all depends how you handle it. I guess it depends on the weather. It depends largely on the context. You may depend on him to help you. His success depends on his efforts. It depends on how you deal with it. My brother depends on me for money. Our fate depends on your decisions. Our success depends on your efforts. Prices depends on supply and demand. Everything depends upon the results. I'm not sure about that. It depends. It depends on the size of the chair. He depended on his uncle for support. Many countries depend on agriculture. Your success depends on your efforts. Don't depend on other people too much. Don't depend on your parents too much. Everything depends upon your decision. You must not depend so much on others. You must not depend on others for help. You should not depend on your parents. Everything depends on what you will do. You can always depend upon her to help. You shouldn't depend on others too much. For advice, he depended on close friends. He's very honest, so we can depend on him. Now Ashoka depends on his parents very much. Prices depend on the cost and the demand. She depends on her husband for everything. Japan depends on foreign countries for oil. Our friendship depends on trust. Success often depends on one's temperament. It is often necessary to depend upon others. Whether we go or not depends on the weather. Our plans for tomorrow depend on the weather. The country's economy depends on agriculture. All living things on earth depend on one another. She depends on her parents for living expenses. Does a child's musical talent depend on heredity? Our success in this work depends on your efforts. The outcome depends entirely on your own efforts. He depends on his parents for his university fees. Our success depends on whether he helps us or not. That depends on whether you are interested or not. You cannot depend on his support for your project. How one views something depends on one's situation. The success of our business depends on the weather. Our survival depends on finding drinking water soon. The popularity of a website depends on its content. The popularity of websites depends on their content. That organization depends on voluntary contributions. Even though he is 30, he still depends on his parents. Now that she has quit her job, we can't depend on her. The prosperity of a country depends upon its citizens. Whether he will succeed or not depends on his efforts. Whether we will go on the trip depends on the weather. Children depend on their parents for food and clothing. Everything depends on whether you pass the examination. We depend on foreign nations for our natural resources. Whether he will succeed or not depends upon his health. Whether you succeed or not depends on your own efforts. Your success depends upon whether you work hard or not. Our success depends upon whether you will help us or not. I don't depend on my parents for money. You shouldn't depend too much on other people to help you. And finally, the one person you can depend upon is you. Thank you, folks.